fish, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today at the Whitty Museum. I'm with Abby Jacks. She is the Environmental Science Education Manager here. Thanks for having us.
Thank you guys so much for coming down today. We're so excited for you to see this exhibit and see some of the cool and a little scary fish that we have to show for y'all.
Absolutely. There's so much to see for the kids. What is this exhibit, Monster Fish?
Yeah, so this exhibit is in partnership with Dr. Zeb Hogan, who works with National Geographic and has had the opportunity to travel the world with his TV show Monster Fish and show not only some of these incredible animals and their environments, but also some of the cultural ties that they have to the people in the land that they live in. And we've had the opportunity to be able to bring them here to the Whitty for y'all to see.
Okay, so we're looking at one of the actual life-size models. What kind of fish is this?
So this fish is called a goonch, which is essentially a monster catfish. This animal would be found near Cambodia and can get over 6 feet long.
Look at the teeth, they look scary.
Not only the teeth, but these whiskers too are kind of a creepy feature, but they're extra sensory, so they help these animals figure out where they are and usually figure out what they want to eat.
And why do you think it's important to have an exhibition like this here at the Whitty?
Absolutely, water is such an important feature that we have here in Texas, and San Antonio in particular, since we are the city on the river. These animals belong in these habitats as apex predators, as well as key species that live in these rivers. So without these monster fish, we actually wouldn't see a lot of the other fish that we get to see in the rivers. They're incredibly important, and unfortunately, due to a lot of pollution and other external factors, we're losing some of these fish in their natural habitats. So we're really hoping that people come away with a better appreciation of some of these animals and some inspiration to help save them in their wild spaces.
Okay, Abby, I have to clear the air. Could we find a monster like this in the San Antonio area?
Not quite this guy in particular. However, we do have other monstrously sized species here in San Antonio and in Texas. Our alligator gars in particular are really, really cool, and they've been around for about 100 million years or so, according to our fossil records. We also have several other species that are just as important that do get over 6 feet, even up to 10 feet long. But unfortunately, like I mentioned earlier, there's some external factors that we're losing some of these really big fish that are so important to their habitats. Things like invasive species, things like apple snails, zebra mussels, and even plecostomus are really detrimental to these habitats. And unfortunately, a lot of that comes from people dumping their home aquariums into these rivers. And so we're asking people to come and check out our exhibit, learn about why that's such not a great thing to do, and learn from some of our other partners about what they can do to help restore some of these habitats.
Okay, so this exhibit is going on until when?
This will be going on until January 22nd, so you have quite a while to come and check us out, and it's a really cool exhibit. We're excited for you guys to come visit.